Warangal Railway Station, a key hub on Telangana's Golden Quadrilateral route, holds strategic importance in India's railway network. Under Prime Minister Narendra Modi's leadership, the Ministry of Railways launched the prestigious Amrit Bharat Station scheme to modernize stations and enrich passenger experience. Inspired by Warangal's rich heritage, the station's design and circulating areas reflect its historical essence. Modern waiting halls, foot-over bridges, and upgraded amenities now ensure greater comfort and convenience for all travelers. Booking office. Modern platform flooring. General waiting hall. Reserved lounge. Prepaid AC waiting hall. Escalator and lift. Foot-over bridge, 12-meter wide gangway, connecting platforms. Platform signage boards.